My name is Alyssa Shipley, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my PLN website. I kind of formatted my website as a way that I could share it with parents already starting this year, that they had access to different things that I'd use in the classroom, as well as just a website for them that they can kind of use with their scholars at home. So on this first page, I have just a little bit about me, where I'm from, that I just bought my first home. I included a picture of me outside of my home, so some parents I had come in this year that were completely new parents to our school, so let them know what I look like, who I am, where I'm from, what I'm about. Um, every day in one of my classrooms, we do brain breaks. Well, we do brain breaks in all of my classes, but in one class, they really love my dog. So on my About Me web page, I just included a couple pictures of my dog. Kids have already sent me pictures of it and are like, oh my goodness, it's Henry. So I just wanted to include him on here as well. In the next tab, I just have a resume. It's kind of a boring website, just to learn a little bit more about me and who I am and where I come from. My next tab is my professional learning tab. On this website, I have my Feedly and my Diago linked, as well as my Khan Academy Mappers stuff. My parents, I found this year, really have never used this with other teachers, so I wanted to give them some insight into the website and what it does. If you click on the philosophy tab in my professional learning, I have my philosophy on technology as well as my philosophy of motivation. Another video I had to make for another class. I'm anxious to kind of add more to this website as I go on in my master's program and start figuring out what kind of teacher I am and what I believe. Then I have a videos tab on here. I found that my parents of the scholars that I have this year had never used some of the websites that I used, so I wanted to make a couple of quick videos explaining what they are, how we use them, what they look like, where they can check for kids' homework completion, etc. So on this webpage, I just have a couple of different things linked that they can use and what resources I use in class. And the final tab that I have is schools. I just have a link to Mount Lebanon, which is where I teach, as well as different high schools that we kind of partner with at my school. I teach 8th grade, so applications open October 1st. We're already getting our 8th graders thinking about where they want to go to high school and when they need to complete those applications by. So that's kind of my PLN website. I'm looking forward to adding more to it as I continue to grow as a teacher and I continue to work towards my licensing and masters. Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye.